Hey everyone, it's Rachel here from Backyard Blossoms, here with another video. Today's video is talking about my dear Sweet William, so hang around. And I have them here on my grow rack, and I'll show you here what they look like. They're kind of struggling a little bit. I don't really know what is going on, but if you look in the tray here, they just look really spindly and leggy. So this is what's considered a cool flower. So my plan is to move these outside in the landscape bed next to the house. I had just planted out some larkspur there. I'm going to take these and plant these in front of the larkspur. The larkspur can get up to 4 feet tall, and these can get, I think, up to 30 inches tall. So it'll be a good gradation down from the larkspur, and it should look pretty cool in the landscape. So let's head out to the garden and start planting these things in the ground. So we're outside in the garden. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Sweet William. First off, it is what's considered a cool flower, so it can tolerate a little colder temperatures than things like zinnias or cosmos. So this is why instead of potting it up, I'm gonna just put it outside. Hopefully that will help with the legginess. But yeah, they're struggling a little bit, so we'll see if we can fix them by planting them outside. If it works, they should have a great fragrance and a great display for our spring garden this season. So let's get these things in the ground. All right, so here you can see where we planted the larkspur, and it is doing really well since I transplanted it outside. Today we're going to be working on the Sweet William. I could probably even put the status out. I just don't know if I want to do that yet. So we're just going to work on the Sweet William today. I think what we're going to plan on doing is doing 9-inch spacing roughly. Now I'm not going to measure anything. I'm just going to guess and do an eyeball look on it. So that is what we're going to get started on. Let's get these things in the ground. So we have our plants in the ground. Now we just have to water them in and say a prayer that they make it and they don't die. So thank you guys for watching. I'll keep you posted on if this method worked or not. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.